G'day guys, Carl from Go Travel in the garage again today. Got a big box. What's in the box, Damo? Holy dooly. This is the most expensive hardcover known to man. It is a Ute Master Load lid.
Yep.
I'm still not sold on it, but I think I might be by the end of this install. Whoosh.
And she can carry 200 kilos.
200.
200.
Righto, what did it cost you and why'd you buy it?
What it cost me about $5.5 grand. I bought it because that's without install. I got it with a couple of accessories which we should find in here. I also got the like that side rails on it, which is where we'll be mounting a few things, which should be cool. But it's full central locking and it supports 200 kilos. So when we go camping, our swags will be strapped to the top.
One thing that's sort of cool is it's actually got a frame already in it. So it looks like you just bolt the frame to the tray. I reckon she's going to make the back of this thing look pretty good. It's got a stupid stop thing. As you come near my driveway, it stops because it's too steep and I think she's going to hit something. My gut feel is this is just going to bolt straight onto these, eh?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does.
So you pull the plastics off, dust sealer. They're like, I don't know, spongy foam. It feels like high density foam too, which is kind of cool. Bit of a prick to get these plastics off, but nothing major. Right, so we got brackets installed, this little cross piece up the top. So this just levels all the tray out. So the tie down points literally just hold the back brackets in on the sides. And now we should be right, just lift the lid on. Hopefully. Jesus Christ.
Turn around. Can you get that up on there?
Yeah, I'll get that.
Right.
3, 2, 1.
Right. Wait, I'm not all the way up, but...
Just push, we should be able to slide it in.
Yep. Yep. Okay, wait,
Let's do it.
We can pull this out now. There's a seal under here.
We're going to get right.
Yep.
So, we lift the front up. Ready?
Yep.
Raise it.
And pull it forward.
That seal's going to sit over, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got to go.
That's some fucking good lunch, huh? Right, down a little bit for me. Alright, easy. Down a little bit. Oh, that's your level. Perfect. Alright, let's put some bolts in it.
Did you get the second one or just one?
No, only needs one, doesn't it?
No, it needs two. You know that, right? You don't need
No, but the rubber would apply to it. It doesn't need the washer. Trust me, you're good. Put the wing nut in. You got this. Seems like a lot of effort.
It is.
Yeah, right. Let's have a look. What do we got?
What do we got? What do we got?
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It is a good looking lid. What are you doing there, mate? So, with these brackets, we've got an adjustment in them, so you can move them up and down. The idea is move them up enough so you still get a good seal dust-wise, but you shut the lid and it latches and locks up. So, with a little bit of luck, this should latch and lock when we shut it without having to push down on it. What have you done there, mate?
Right, Caleb couldn't see my vision, but this is the two-way. We've mounted it inside the destroyer rail and it is on one of them fancy, let's just tighten that up, GME brackets, so it can like be on an angle, sit below the roof line, look kind of cool. And if you're out in the bush, you can straighten right up.
That is cool.
That is cool. Not using a two-way.
I like it.
It's not bad, eh? That should probably sit there.
Yeah, that's cool. And then that's in line with the roof line.
Yep.
You've done well with that. I like the idea. No, we've got shitloads around. Tons. Shitloads around.
How's that fucking well measured? You!
Well guessed.
Well guessed.
Perfect. Righto, a couple of big days in the garage, but we got it done. We finished the battery off. We got the load lid on. What do you reckon, bro?
If you're looking for something rugged, looks good, can carry a load, and you don't mind spending a bit of money, this is the go. It's an awesome piece of kit. This thing is just rugged as, durable. It's not going anywhere. We are still waiting on central locking, but between now and then, that's it. Nice struts. It's got a little strut piece here, so you can hook the lid up 200 mils high, so if you've got a big surfboard or something that you want to stick out the back, she's good to go.
Yeah, that's a cool feature. I like that.
Yeah, that's a cool feature. These destroyer rails, they call them. You can just hook your straps right in through these loops, nice and easy.
Good channel on the top too.
Yep, channel on top. If you have a look over here, channel on top's kind of how we mounted the two-way. We just pulled off one of these end caps, mounted the two-way to there, and it's a cool little GME bracket, so we can.
It's fully flat. It comes out. Yeah, that's cool.
She's strong.
She's strong?
Yep.
Hold 200 kilos, you reckon?
200, I'm 100.
So she's got a little bit of flex, but nothing that doesn't seem like it can't handle the weight. So that's cool. There's not anything else on the market like this, is there?
No, nothing else.
Right.
There definitely are cheaper options. You know, this is a $5,500 lid. I think you can probably pick something up for nearly half that price, but it's just not capable of what this is. This is the only thing in this segment of the market, I think.
I do like this rail at the front. I reckon that finishes it.
Yep. Here's the other thing, they call this a load stop rail. Another extra, so you can get these side rails on their own. And then this one's just so if you've got heavy loads sitting on this base plate, it doesn't slide forward into the back of the windscreen. Which is cool for the swags, because we just strap our swags down on the top here, nice and easy.
So we just touch on the insulation again, because we did stuff around with that a bit.
Frame.
Basically, you bolt these brackets in the back, and then the lid literally just screws to that. So it is actually only 4 bolts to pull it off, which is kind of cool. Lift it on, it's, what do we weigh, 70 kilos?
70 clicks.
So between the two of us, we just lifted it on. Quite easy to lift on.
Yep.
A little bit of a pain to align, but I think the more you do it, the easier it'll get. But you know, if you want to take it off, it's nothing to take off. Well, there you have it. That's the Ute Master Load lid on the Raptor. Pretty cool bit of kit. Definitely expensive, but I like it. I think it looks good.
And just for the record, I think it's maybe an extra $800 or $900 to try and get one installed. This is a job you can easily do yourself.
As always, love to hear your thoughts and opinions. If you like what you see, feel free to subscribe. And until next time, go travel.